Hiya, my name is Bunmi. I am a Christian who is currently building a capsule wardrobe, sharing faith-based content, and welcomes the embrace of identity authentically. I have new makeup products which I have used to upgrade my makeup look, and people around me have noticed. Thus, making this video to showcase my go-to Holy Grail makeup look from scratch. My routine always starts with my skincare. I have my morning and evening routine, and this includes toning my face as well as using niacinamide, my CeraVe moisturizer, which I'll balance my skin pH and control excessive oil, especially on my T-zone area, and gives continuous hydration while shielding my face from environmental damage. These steps helps create a good makeup base, and I love the fact that my eyebrows look freshly done 3 weeks later. A nicely shaped brows gives an instant facelift by opening my eyes, like your eyes, and framing and balancing your face. So now we get on to my eyes. Now I'm using the Boots brand Flyaway 2-in-1 tamer to keep the eyebrows in shape. You can also use it for your hair. I wait for a minute to fill in my brows. Using Rimmel Glam Eyes Day to Night mascara by gliding over my eyebrows to give natural tinted brows without the harsh definition. Your brows soften your look or make it glam. Then I softly use my Glossier concealer in medium deep 2 to carve out a structural lift. The next stage is using foundation. My absolute favorite is NARS. I swear by the Natural Radiance Foundation in medium deep 4, Macau. It is my grail, literally my holy grail. There is no oxidation, it is breathable, weightless, sweat and transfer resistant. This silicone-based foundation sits beautifully on top of my skincare prep. Next, I use my Glossier concealer in the corners of my inner eyes to make me look awake, refreshed and well rested, and my outer corner to give a youthful, snatched and tightened appearance. On my chin and around my lips as well, concealing around the edges of my lips, especially my cupid's bow, draws light to the borders. This instantly makes my lips look naturally plumper, crispier and voluptuous. A thin barrier of concealer around the lip line acts as a damp, stopping creamy lipsticks, glosses, or lip liners from bleeding or feathering into the fine lines around my mouth throughout the day. I normally will set my concealer before bronzing. Now I'm applying my NARS Melina bronzer to introduce realistic warmth, structure, and a sun-sculpted dimension back into my complexion. The bronzer shade is perfect for those with stunning golden olive undertones. My skin looks sun-kissed. I sweep the product along my forehead and my hairline to visually warm up the upper face and create a seamless transition. For the cheekbones, you start near your ears and blend downwards and inwards along your cheekbones, stopping about 2 fingers away from your mouth. This creates an instant lift. Dust whatever product is left on your brush along on the edge of your jawline and down to the neck to ensure your face and neck match perfectly. Next, I use NARS blush called Aucoin. It's rich, matte, burgundy tone perfectly pairs with my NARS Macau foundation. On golden olive medium deep skin, bright or pale pink blushes can often look chalky, but a deep burgundy like Aucoin mimics a genuine, stunning rush of color. It brings the ideal balance of plump, warmth, and depth that instantly makes deep skin complexion look alive and healthy. Unlike many shimmer blushes like NARS Orgasm, for the eye area, I use the same bronzer and blush to create an instant monochromatic harmony. Applying my warm bronzer through my eye crease mimics a natural shadow. It had subtle structure, mapping out the shape of my eyes and elongating my gaze without requiring a separate eyeshadow. I added my Bobbi Brown brightening finishing powder to my inner corner to brighten the eyes and tie the entire look together. For my lips, I line them with NYX Rebel Kind and glide on NARS Orgasm Afterglow Lip Balm as a moisturizing base. Then I use NARS, the Multiple, to create a juicy multi-dimensional contoured pout that perfectly complements my medium deep skin tone. The Multiple effortlessly melts my inner balm and outer darker liner together. I used the new updated Urban Decay Natural Finish Makeup Setting Spray to finish my makeup look. The upgraded glistening infused formula, weightless, dampens the surface, melting away powdery residues from my inner corner highlighter and blush down into my NARS Macao foundation base. It eliminates any hint of cakiness, transforming the makeup into a seamless second skin. This is my finished look. I'm going to start creating the next video, which is all about adding more silks into my wardrobe. I bought some pieces from Lily Silk and I am trying them on with you guys. See more videos from me. Please subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Au revoir. Thank you so much. Au dabo.